So hello everyone, this is Mateus and I'm here in my biggest project, and I'm making this video to show you guys how the process is going, how everything gonna go, and I hope you guys enjoy and I don't know, be helpful for everyone, because I don't want to make mistakes, but maybe it can happen. So I'll be showing you guys. Have this beautiful pavers to do outside, and I have an entire 1,300 square foot basement to refinish. This is my first video about this project. I'm gonna be showing what we have until now. We just started like demolitions. Our dumpster is right there, and pretty much I'm gonna be showing everything that we just did and everything that we're gonna do for the next days and next month in this project. Come with me. I'm gonna be showing the outside and the interior as well. So pretty much the homeowner just got this house and they didn't make any renovations. And what we did, we just opened this thing and we're gonna redo all these pavers. They want all these pavers redone in the exterior. This little full house, we just removed the rooftop. All the shingles is gone. We're gonna replace with brand new ones. We're gonna redo these pavers too. We kinda sort of did like a cleanup inside. It was really messy, like really bad. I just feel like this is gonna be beautiful. It's a 1,300 square foot around pool. We're gonna redo the whole thing, like edging, all this brown gonna go away. All these pavers we're gonna replace with Cambridge pavers. And I'm gonna go and show you guys inside a little bit. Like I say, this is my first time doing a project this big. And in this part of the house, we have a really big mess right here. The house, in our part, is snow, so what happened is we don't have anything to protect against rain. Like the gutters is leaking right there, so we have water issues. It's a lot of debris, so this get clogged, and then we have a really water issue into the house. This is the basement, so when the snows get higher and everything else is just not good. So this is the first part. We don't have tiles here anymore. We remove all the tiles. We have the HVAC guys working here as well. So pretty much we are trying to work together and make this happen. Right now we have a door/window. Let me go far away so you guys can see it. And we're gonna replace for double doors right here. And this part, we used to have a door. We just start to coating. And we're gonna do barn doors there and here. So we're gonna be 2 sliding barn doors. That closet and that closet. We're gonna have another 2 doors too. It's gonna be a TV area. I'm doing fast, but I'm trying to show you as much as I can so you guys have knowledge about the project. And I hope, like I say, I never installed a barn door in the closet, so I hope you guys like it and see it, how I will be doing, so you guys can replicate in your house. We rip off all the baseboards. They didn't want the old baseboards, so we remove it to install brand new baseboards. Pretty much all the trims we remove as well. That's the door just walking in. This closet we have to do some sort of shelving, brand new shelving, so we're gonna figure out on the way. So this is the first bathroom. Was some sort of how can I call that? But I missed that. It was some sort of weird old bathroom. So we're gonna do brand new tile in the bottom, tile in the walls bathroom. We have a weird door right there, so we close that up. We're gonna redo that, these steps and this flooring. Pretty much the drywall gonna keep as it is. A weird thing, but nice in the same way. The homeowner has a dog, so we close that part and we open right here so the dog can have a little, let's say, house. We have even light, so we're gonna do a nice little house for the dog. So that's pretty much it. Right here, we're not gonna touch anything. We're just gonna leave as it is. Just gonna repaint the whole thing. Repaint ceiling, walls, trims, like I say, redo the stairs. The flooring, they have some imperfections. You see, we're gonna self-level all this floor all around. Right here, we're gonna have vinyl flooring. and from this point to that and that direction, gonna be tile all over. These steps gonna be tile too. We already bought it, pretty much all the material. Right here, gonna be tile as well. Up to there, yes, the client choose tile on the stairs. And right here is, we have 2 bedrooms. Some equipment is right here. Have another machine. We're gonna have to replace like all the drywall when they finish with this. Right here we have our mini kitchen. Right here some material. We have the vinyl floor already, some insulation, and the tile. This is gonna be the tile for the flooring on the highway. Gonna be 48 by 8 tiles. Looks like wood patterns. And we have the tile for the bathroom as well. Gonna be like a white tile. So right there. Yeah, and right here we have a second bathroom. We're pretty much not gonna touch this bathroom, just replace the vanity. I have a plumber coming to replace the vanity and find out what is the issue with the pipes. But pretty much the only thing we're gonna do right now is replace this glass for like a nicer glass. And all the hardware is gonna be black. So gonna be like, in my opinion, my taste, nicer. The floor we're gonna rip off. We just didn't make yet because we need to use a bathroom there. So we're gonna rip off this floor as the last thing we're gonna do. Pretty much you're gonna start from the living room and then come inside doing like room by room, let's say living room, and then the bathroom, and then the highway, and then this bedroom, and then another bedroom. Like all this is gonna be nice and done. And then we're gonna do that bathroom because yeah, we need a place to do our things, right? So outside here, we just have like things that was in the room. Right here is just like the exterior. We're gonna replace all this fence. All this fence is gonna go away. All that fence, I have a stairs right here. Right here, I have this staircase. We're gonna remove, do like a nice tracks stairs with new railing, new flooring. Pretty much everything like low maintenance, so the homeowners doesn't have to, you know, take care as much. All this is PVC. We're gonna replace for a nicer composite fence. Like I say, all this tile gotta go away. See, we're gonna replace with a new one, and this guy's right here as well. And I have some designs I'm gonna leave in the screen right now, so you guys can see how the pool gonna be. Oh, we're gonna do a fire pit right here. We're gonna have a long bench and a fire pit right here. So gonna be nice. I think gonna be a nice place to hang out. Like, look at this. Look how big is this? I know it's so big. I'm so impressed, and I'm so, you know, it's so crazy how big is this project. And I'm so happy to do this project. And I want to give the homeowner the best look. She's traveling, so when she come back, hope she's enjoy, you know what I mean? Oh, let me show you one thing. I think that's nice. This is gonna be the new look of the pavers. This is a Stone Harbor XL from Cambridge Pavers. That's gonna be all around. That's gonna be the pavers. For the edging, we have this mocha color for the edging of the pool, all around the pool. And for the exterior edging, we have this another mocha color stones. So why mocha? Because just to match the whole accent to the house. You see like how it is like sort of brown. So we're gonna have like a brown edging, a brown fence with black, and a brown staircase. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, we're gonna repaint that too. And I think it's gonna be nice. When this thing is done, gonna look stunning. I'm really excited to have this done, and I hope you guys enjoy with me this process, and let's do it. I see you guys probably in the next episode. I'm gonna be showing as we go with the progress, like I say, from the inside to the outside, and let's do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.